If you have been looking for a product to sell on TikTok Shop, this one product is currently crushing it at the moment. And the product that I'm talking about is this GOALIE product. I believe they're called Zero Sugar Bestseller GOALIE something. I don't know what they're called, but that's not the point. The point is the data and how it's doing right now. If you've been around TikTok Shop for any number of time, you'll know that GOALIE is quite a successful shop on the platform, and definitely one to study for new shops that are just starting out in terms of strategy. How are they moving? How are they pricing? How are they adding product detail? How are they performing over time? How do they work with creators? Are they using any ads and so forth? So just a real good example to lean into and study. So whether you're a seller or a TikTok Shop affiliate, let's have a look and see what's going on here. So for starters, we can see that in the last 7 days, they sold 404,000 worth of revenue of this product. The average unit price was $29.73. 13.6k units sold, which is absolutely crazy. Now, the key thing that I want you to pay attention to here as well is most of their revenue came from this thing here. It came from video. What does this mean? This means that it came from people creating these simple 15-second TikTok videos talking about this product, giving it an honest review, leaving a link for people to buy the product in their videos, and people buying that from TikTok. And we can see, if we scroll down to the bottom here on Calo Data, these are the creators that have done exactly just that. And the top creator, as you can see here, they've only got 11k followers. So it just goes to show you don't need a huge following to crush it on TikTok Shop. It's quite hot in the United Kingdom, and I've got both my windows open. Apologies for any background noise. Yeah, really good case study here. If we look at the last 30 days, if the free version of Calo Data will allow me to, I think it does. $1.7 million in revenue overall. They have sold 58,000 units of this product. And again, video revenue is the majority of that with 1.6 million, which is just absolutely crazy. So if you're just starting out again and you are considering jumping into the game and you don't want to really spend any money on ads, you just want to start with organic marketing for your product, you want to start by working with content creators, you've got this page here that you can really just lean into. And of course, if you are a TikTok Shop affiliate and you're thinking about what product you want to promote, once again, this is an opportunity for you to do just that. You can see that content creators here that are, they're not even that big, are currently crushing it promoting this product. And of course, the beauty of Calo Data is you can go into the content creator page and you can also see here a bit more information about this particular content creator. You can follow their account on TikTok, their contact details there. You've got the username and you can see how much revenue they've generated by posting videos on TikTok. These are the videos that they've posted. You can see the details of how much they've made from each video. You normally can also see how much commission this product carries, but for some reason that data doesn't seem to have pulled through here. It can happen sometimes, but I would assume they've made a pretty decent chunk because the unit price is at $33 per unit, averaging 29 point, just under $30 per unit. So even if they're making 10-20% out of that as commission, if they've brought in that as revenue, they'll be taking a pretty good chunk home. Just come across this example really quickly here. Thought I would share it in this video that is very on the spot, unedited, directly to my viewers. I hope this helps and inspires people out there. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see any more videos like this from me, and drop a huge like. Apparently, it helps more people see videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.